10-12, 10-33. On your stomach, right there, now. On your stomach. Keep him back there. On your stomach. Stomach. On your stomach. Yes. 3 custody, fly Yankee. 1 dog bite if you want to log it. No need for EMS at this time. I'm good here. Get the dogs out and let's get some manpower.
Guys, there's a ton of bees back here.
Well, let's hurry up and get these guys out of here before we all get stung.
So much pain, bro. My head. Go that way. Go. Hey, come on, let's go this way.
I'm trying, man.
Hey, you can grab my head. That.
Stop moving, move. There.
I got a question.
What's up, man?
What town are y'all from?
Indian River.
No.
FHP stopped you, but Indian River found you.
What happened?
You got cold water? Oh, you got fucking gift gloves? They're in his hair.
You got attacked by bees?
All right, good job, man.
Hey, good job, bro. Phenomenal job keeping up with me.
No, I was at. Where are you?
Yeah, dude, it gets nasty and the dog is moving me quick.
Yeah, and then once I crossed some of the like swampy, my legs were like jello.
You did good, man. Really good job. Appreciate it.